Are you looking for the best 3 meters buffing pad? In this video, we will break down the top 4 3 meters buffing pads on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, TCP Global Buffing Kit. These 8-inch buffing pads will hook right up to the included backing plate that threads onto the spindle. Serious buffing aficionados will be quick to tell you that having a variety of buffing pads is key to tackling any car you encounter. With this buffing kit, you're able to quickly identify which pad you need for the corresponding process. The waffle design of the pads allows you to tackle the hard-to-reach spots around creases in the body lines. Since this kit comes with so many pads, you can experiment to see what type of pad is best for each buffing step. However, you can get respectable results when it comes time to buff your car's paint. At number 2, Chemical Guys Buffing Sampler Kit. With 3 pads, you're able to compound, polish, and wax nearly any vehicle on the road. As long as you remember which color corresponds to which process, it's as simple as switching out pads and moving on to the next step. The hex pattern of these buffing pads straddles the middle ground between completely flat pads and those with a waffle design. This means you're able to reach into the curves of the body lines to get the full effect, while still being able to keep the pad itself level across the paint surface to reduce swirls. It's a starter kit you shouldn't necessarily use for intense paint correction. Buffing a car will almost always revive the paint to a certain degree. However, Chemical Guys have made it incredibly easy to get into buffing your own car with this affordable kit. At number 3, CASOMAN Uffing and Polishing Pad Kit. The 7-inch hook and loop polishing pad with a thread of 5/8, 11 threads, which is made of polyurethane, much more flexible and durable. Prime quality wool pad, sponge pad, bendable, washable, and reusable, used for all kinds of coat paints, waxing, polishing, and sealing glaze, to clean and improve their lightness. With adhesive backing, you can change pads just in seconds. The back of the disc has Velcro, so you can easily change woolen buffer pad. Soft and fine workmanship, not damage the surface, washable and economic. They are lightweight and really easy to assemble. At number 4, 3M Finesse-it Knit Buffing Pad. These buffing pads are manufactured with a black loop and a deep waffle face. 3M trims the length of the Finesse-it Knit Buffing 85,078 pads to 15/16, making it ideal for compounding and polishing in hard-to-access areas, while the lengthier nap of the 85,079 pads provides good conformability over irregular surfaces. These pads are manufactured with the 3M Hook-it attachment system for quick pad mounting and removal and to hold the pad securely in place during use. Hook-it buffing pads conveniently and firmly attached to a hook and loop backup disc pad, sold separately on rotary or random orbital tools, can be removed cleanly and easily, and can be reused again and again for life of the pad. They have a greater available cutting surface area due to the presence of thousands of fibers, and these fibers provide faster cutting action.